Hee hee ha hee 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 ha 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 hee.
Mark. What's the matter?
Chris, you said this time I'm getting an Octoburger. I don't believe it.
Believe it, buddy. I've gotten 8 burgers grilled already. I'd advise against it. After all, you're losing weight, gonna have a date with a cute girl, and right now is a horrible time to have a heart attack.
Oh, okay. Do you have any salad dressing?
What? Mark. Too much dressing is bad for you. You don't want that sheet smothering your burgers.
Ha. But I'm hungry, and I would like to have certain stuff with my dinner and everything.
Now, buddy. Hey, where did Jason go?
Whatever. That's his catchphrase. That's his life. Feeling and looking bored. He is a walking whatever. Hee hee ha ha hee ha hee hee. Is Derek with Ethan?
Yeah, I guess he is. But Jess told me Derek got stuck on the baby swing while eating some baby food.
What an idiot. So, what's up with Roger?
Beats me. He's been sitting in the basement reading his script, talking funny stuff, and drinking beer.
Are those chipmunks in the garage?
Them? No. That's just Timmy and Crossman.
Oh?